Hi, I'm Emma. I'm here on behalf of Zener Engineering Services Limited to deliver an overview of GxP cloud computing and the services that ZES can provide. These services help to ensure that GxP cloud compliance is achieved against the regulatory requirements when delivered in the life science industry. In the first instance, let me take you through some of the main points for consideration when thinking about utilizing a GxP cloud solution. Then I will highlight how the GxP cloud experts at ZES can help you to achieve a validated system that's suitable for its intended use. The amount of electronic information computer systems generate continues to grow significantly. Industry is always looking for better, cheaper and faster IT solutions. Outsourcing to specialist cloud providers who can provide suitable IT solutions more efficiently, who can leverage technology to improve information handling, is increasingly attractive and of interest to GxP companies. So what are the main benefits of a cloud solution? Let's take a look at these next. Cloud providers offer extremely fast and flexible solutions. The three main benefits include scalability on demand, business continuity, and easy backup and archive. All for a considerably lower cost than traditional in-house computing solutions. Therefore, it's easy to see why cloud solutions are an attractive option to GxP companies looking to improve their operations. However, there are a number of issues to consider which have a potential impact on patient safety, not to mention the applicable regulatory requirements. Cloud solutions in the GxP environment present a number of regulatory challenges. These include regulations under regulatory authorities such as the FDA, MHRA and EMA. So what is the Zener Engineering Services solution? Well, ZES have extensive experience in GxP computer systems and validation approaches. The vast majority of these have been inspected by the regulatory authorities. ZES are experts in the implementation of streamlined approaches, including those advocated in the GxP guidelines. It should be noted that guidelines are not regulations, and GxP companies will not be cited by the regulatory authorities for non-compliance with GxP. Zener Engineering Services work on behalf of GxP companies and oversee their regulatory obligations and business interests. I can't emphasize enough that when outsourcing to third-party cloud providers, accountability for compliance remains with the regulated GxP company, but compliance controls may be delegated to others, with appropriate GxP company management supervision. I shall now highlight just some of the services ZES provide directly to GxP companies who are considering a GxP cloud solution. The ZES Cloud Provider Evaluation Service includes the performance of audits to ascertain the degree of compliance and ensure built-in integrity of the cloud provider and service. The audit includes the assessment of quality management and systems, product and project management, implementation approach, and support and maintenance, including processes and activities. These are all evaluated to ensure ongoing support and compliance for the GxP company. The evaluation is concluded with a preferred cloud provider recommendation from Zener Engineering Services. This recommendation is essential if you don't have GxP cloud expertise in-house, looking after your GxP company's interests. Don't forget that the GxP cloud solution will need to be suitably validated, so let's look at what validation services ZES can provide. The ZES GxP Cloud Validation Service includes, but is not limited to, application validation, IT infrastructure qualification, and full life cycle documentation. All supported by GxP Cloud experienced ZES consultants and engineers, who have many years of proven GxP knowledge and skills in computer systems. In the experience of ZES, suppliers to the life science industry, in general, have little knowledge of GxP compliance when related to computer systems, and in fact have actually shown little interest in GxP compliance, even though the supplier may officially say differently. Awarding a cloud solutions provider carte blanche to implement a new computer system in the GxP environment, with full autonomy, in the experience of ZES, is the prelude to a disaster. Recently, ZES witnessed a computer system being implemented for a blue-chip manufacturer, where the only documented delivery objective in the statement of works was to provide weekly update meetings. No mention was made of GxP compliance or the applicable regulatory requirements for the computer system. ZES found that all the system testing had been recorded on open Excel spreadsheets, containing blank cells, no version control, and in fact nothing had been completed to the required GxP standard. Even the URS, which had been approved by the quality department, had significant issues, including numerous blank boxes, and vague and deficient requirements. Need a project manager who has significant GxP experience? I'm sure ZES can help you. The ZES GxP Cloud Project Management Service includes, but is not limited to, day-to-day project management, staff training, quality system implementation, and quality system management. With proven project and program management experience, ZES consultants have delivered compliant GxP projects pragmatically on numerous occasions, on time and within budget. ZES have been asked on several occasions to help bring failing projects back onto the right track. Generally, the projects were failing due to the lack of suitable expertise who acted on behalf of the GxP company and approved suitable documentation in the initial planning stages of the GxP project. Zener Engineering Services validation consultants and engineers will help ensure GxP cloud system requirements are tested and qualified. This activity is sometimes known as user acceptance testing. A suitable qualification exercise performed by ZES will confirm that the GxP computer system is suitable and complies with the required regulatory standard. For all your GxP cloud compliance and validation solutions, Zener Engineering Services are experts in the field. Contact Zener Engineering Services for all your GxP compliance needs. Zener Engineering Services, working to achieve compliance. And finally, can I just say, thanks for watching this short GxP Cloud Services presentation by ZES. It was a pleasure to meet you. And hopefully I will see you again soon. Goodbye.